you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to share with you a couple of Valentine ideas that you could do with your family. Valentine's Day is on Sunday this year, and so we'll be home with our families, and I like to find cute ways to celebrate the holidays. And so I have a couple ideas I wanted to share with you today. If you haven't checked out my recent Valentine's Day videos, I highly encourage you to do them. I put so much work into them, and I think that they turned out really cute. But without further ado, let's get on to project or idea number one. For idea number one, it is a cookie decorating idea. You could set this up on your table. I obviously live in a construction zone, so I cleaned up Lincoln's room and I set it up on his dresser, and it made the perfect little display for it. And I used the cupcake tin idea that I use for the gingerbread house decorating that I do just for the cookie decorating. Everything was store-bought. I just put the icings in bags and bought the cookies. Well, my mom made the cookies for me, but you could also buy this undecorated cookies at Walmart because I have seen them there. But I think it's really cute and fun, and it's something that you can do with your kids while you're at home on Sunday for Valentine's Day. how fun is this? I think any kids would love it. You could set it out as your dessert for dinner, or just set it out through the day and the kids can graze on it. If you could make this healthy if you wanted, but all of these red and pink treats just were screaming for a cute charcuterie board. I will link the board in the description box below. I've used this several times for boards like this. It's the perfect size in my opinion. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. See ya.